Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips about how I transition into sewing for fall that may help you as well, whether you are transitioning into fall as we are here or into another season, wherever you may be. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you are returning, if you are new here, then welcome. My name is Denise. Now, generally when transitioning into a new season, I will usually start with making tops. The reason is it's just one of the fastest and easiest things for me to make. As you may know, I love making t-shirts, and so I will start with something like that, either short sleeve, sleeveless in this case, which I will show you, or maybe a 3/4 sleeve, before you go into like the long sleeve tops that you can wear when it's really much colder out. This one here is one I just finished, and it is basically a hack of a pattern, the Ruche T pattern, which is the Angela Wolf pattern here. This one is long sleeve, and I believe there's a short sleeve option in there also, but I made it sleeveless. And this I figured is good because it's still hot where I am right now, and this would go well under a jacket or a little sweater, something, you know, if it's cool still inside somewhere. This one I did add bands onto the sleeves here, onto the armhole, I'm sorry, onto the armhole here. Now for the next thing that I will look at are bottoms. Basically, I will start usually with pants, something lightweight to medium weight. I recently made these. It's hard to tell what they look like on the hanger. I will show you some pictures of these. That's this pattern here, Simplicity 8701, and this is one of their patterns for hacking, as they call it. But I did make these, and they fit nice. It's like almost like a dressier jean. This is just a lightweight or light to medium weight cotton fabric that I had here in my fabric stash, and so I used that to make these jeans, the pants, and that is also something that can be a good addition to your wardrobe. Having something that is not going to make you overheated if it's still warm where you are, but give you some coverage or keeps you comfortable if you happen to go into some place that is blasting the air conditioning. So something else to keep in mind. This one here is a knit skirt that I made. It's a very nice pattern. It is also another Angela Wolf pattern. It is called the Caped Skirt. Now the pattern is for woven fabrics, but I did use this this is a scuba knit that I also had in my fabric stash, and I did insert the zipper and all. I did have to make some adjustments because the fabric is knit. Even though it doesn't have a whole lot of stretch, it still has more stretch than a woven would, so I did have to make some adjustments on that. But something like this is very comfortable to wear, and just really nice, easy for travel or anything that you might be doing. So this is another option as far as planning out your wardrobe for transition, making pants, skirts, whatever it is that you like to wear. Think about those fabrics and things like that. When you're thinking about your transition, think about what it is that you already have, what colors they are, and what colors you may have already in your fabric stash, so that you can coordinate some outfits, whether you're going to make a jacket or a top, something like that. Think about those things, even if it's just pairing something with a pair of jeans, which is a totally classic and easy look as well. Think about those things, and it just makes it so much easier. The whole process can be a lot faster and quicker than you might expect. Now, lastly, one of the most important things for me in particular, because I like to dress in layers. Layers can keep you cool or make you warm, and so it's just an easy addition to dress in layers. You can make little sweaters or whatever to cover-ups, things like that, that can coordinate with whatever outfit that you have, whatever colors you may already have in your wardrobe. And it's, like I said, those things are usually pretty quick to make. Those are my tips for you. I will leave you some links if possible down in the description box. Let me know how you all plan your projects or whatever. And this isn't like a hard and fast plan in terms of exactly knowing I'm going to make this, this, and this, but it's basically a general idea. So let me know how you all plan your projects for your, changing seasons or whatever. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.